Namaskar. I am Harisadhan Podia, teacher of Siddhinath Mahavidyalaya. Respected parents, teachers, coaches, cultural and sports lovers. Also respected to organizing committee, 5-star welfare and sports club. Now I will tell the significance of yoga. Why we have to practice yoga? It is a modern day or age of technological. So we are suffering various psychosomatic diseases like conflict allergy, anemia, diabetes, arthritis, high blood pressure, obesity, etc. If we practice yoga in daily life, we can control such type of psychosomatic disease. We can build healthy nation or healthy world. If we practice yoga, we can live stress-free lifestyle. Yoga can tell about stress-free lifestyle through ahara, food, vihara, relaxation and recreation, achara, conduct, vichara, thinking, vyavahara, behavior. Yoga tell about non-violence or ahimsa. That means thinking physically, mentally do not harm to anyone. Daily practice yoga gives man a positive attitude. He or she is goes to the path of truth. Yoga can resist evil through to come in human mind. Yoga increase health, self-confidence and offering complete relaxation and control more. This gives sexuality or much needed boost. You gives dominating personality and it helps to devote yourself and sacrifice to any situation. Yoga helps human beings to keep neat and clean through practice of Kriya Yoga. It tells us about our outer and internal purification. Through practice of Kriya Yoga, we can purify our channel or nadi, that is Ida, Pingola and Susuna. Yoga can keep their mind in peace or in a balanced condition in various difficulty situations that can control our mental adjustment. Yoga help us to face in the anti situation. Yogist cannot be broken easily. Yoga teach us to listen, to respect everyone and self-analysis. Yogists through practicing yoga devote to God. Yogists have to be physically and mentally strong. Yogists also can control various autonomous systems, that is nervous system, respiratory system, blood circulation system, hormonal system, digestive system, etc. Yogists have to be increase immunity power of human body. Yogists have to be a donor. Always sacrifice everything for good deed. We can grow up moral value. Yogists should be more concentration power. If any person practice daily yoga, then he or she will remove 5 klesha. Human beings get sorrow mainly from 5 reasons. These are avidya, wrong knowledge, asmita, I-ness, raga, attachment, desha, dislikement, abhinivesha, fear of death. In our human bodies have 3 guns or qualities, that is sattva, raja and tamo. Sattvic is the highest quality in 3 gunas. If you practice daily yoga, then you will develop your highest quality or sattvic gun. So, yogist can achieve all-round development in personality and society. Thank you.